Hey everyone, welcome back to English Podcast with FTJ.
Hi guys, it's great to see you here again. How are you all doing today?
I hope you're doing awesome and ready to learn some real English in a fun and natural way.
That's right. Today's episode is super interesting. We're talking about how to train your brain to speak in English.
Yeah, many learners understand English but can't speak it easily. Don't worry, today we'll help you fix that.
Exactly. We'll talk about how your brain learns language and some simple tricks to make speaking English more natural and automatic.
So, if you've ever felt stuck or nervous while speaking, stay with us. You'll learn how to think in English and speak without translating.
That's the goal, to help you speak English smoothly, like it's part of who you are.
Sounds exciting, right? All right then, let's dive right in. So, Jack, have you noticed that many English learners understand a lot, but when it's time to speak, they freeze up?
Oh yeah, totally. They know the words, know the grammar, but when it's time to talk, their mind just goes blank.
Exactly. And they often say things like, I can understand everything, but I can't speak.
Right. And that's because their brain is trained to understand, not to produce English.
That's a good point. So you're saying their brain kind of stores English, but doesn't use it automatically?
Exactly. It's like having a full fridge, but never cooking anything. You have all the ingredients, vocabulary, grammar, but you're not using them enough.
I love that example. So true.
Yeah. To speak fluently, your brain needs practice connecting ideas fast, not just remembering words.
So it's not about learning more words, it's about training your brain to use what you already know?
That's right. And today, we'll share some easy and fun ways to do that, step by step.
Perfect! I'm sure everyone listening will love that.
Let's go for it. It's time to train your brain.
So, Jack, what's the first way to train your brain to speak English better?
Well, the first and most important step is start thinking in English.
Thinking in English? That sounds simple, but a little tricky. How can someone actually do that?
Yeah, it can be hard at first, but you can start small. For example, when you wake up, try to describe your morning in English.
Oh, like saying, I'm brushing my teeth, I'm making coffee, I'm getting ready for work.
Exactly. Short sentences, easy words, but your brain starts working in English mode.
I like that. It's not about being perfect. It's about training your brain to use English every day.
Yes, don't wait for the right time or perfect grammar. Just use what you know, and your brain will learn faster.
That's so true. The more you think in English, the less you translate, and the faster you speak.
Exactly. And when you stop translating, your brain becomes more natural. You'll speak without fear or hesitation.
Love it. So the first key is think in English, not in your native language.
That's it. Start small, keep it simple, and your brain will catch up faster than you think.
All right, Jack, we talked about thinking in English. So what's the next step to train your brain?
The second technique is called shadowing, or you can say imitation practice.
Shadowing. Sounds cool, but what does it mean exactly?
Well, it's simple. You just listen to a native speaker, like a short video, podcast, or movie, and then repeat what they say immediately, almost like their shadow.
Oh, that's why it's called shadowing, because you speak right after them, like their echo.
Exactly. You don't wait, you don't stop, you just follow the rhythm, the tone, and the expression.
That sounds fun. So it's like copying the way they speak, the accent, the feeling, everything.
Yes, you're not just repeating words, you're training your brain and mouth to work together like native speakers do.
That's amazing. And it's great for pronunciation, too.
Totally. You'll sound more natural, confident, and fluent. And the best part? You can do it anytime, even when you're walking or cooking.
Huh. Yeah, imagine talking to your phone while cooking. Your family might think you're on a call.
Exactly. But hey, that's how you train your brain to speak English without fear.
So, step 2, use shadowing and imitation to make your brain and mouth work together in English.
Right. It's like a workout for your English brain. The more you practice, the stronger it gets.
So, Jack, we've already talked about thinking in English and shadowing. What's next?
The next step is super important. It's to use English in your daily life.
What do you mean by that? Like talking to myself in English?
Yeah, that's actually a great start. You can talk to yourself while doing things like, I'm cooking now, or I'm going to wash the dishes. It keeps your brain in English mode.
Oh, I do that sometimes. Like, where did I put my keys? Or I need some coffee right now.
Exactly. It might sound funny, but it really helps. You're building English as a habit.
So, the idea is to make English part of our daily routine, right?
That's right. Use English when you can. For example, change your phone settings to English, write your grocery list in English, or watch short English videos while relaxing.
That sounds easy and fun. It's like living a little bit in English every day.
Exactly. You don't need to study hard all the time. Just live with English. It trains your brain to use it naturally.
I love that. It's not about perfection, it's about practice and habit.
Yes. Little by little, your brain will start thinking in English automatically.
So, step 3, make English part of your life. Talk, write, listen, and live in English.
Exactly. The more you use it, the more your brain believes, hey, English is normal for me.
Jack, many learners say they understand English, but they feel too scared to speak. Why does that happen?
Yeah, that's very common. People are afraid of making mistakes or being judged. But guess what? Making mistakes is how your brain learns.
Right. Nobody speaks perfectly, even native speakers. We all make mistakes sometimes.
Exactly. So don't say I'm bad at English. Say I'm learning and I'm getting better every day.
Oh, I love that. It's all about confidence. The more you speak, the stronger your brain becomes.
Yes. Think of it like exercise. The more you practice speaking, the stronger your English muscles get.
English muscles. I like that idea.
Yeah. So don't worry about sounding perfect. Just keep talking. Confidence comes from doing, not from waiting.
That's true. Even talking to yourself in English helps build confidence.
Exactly. You can practice in front of a mirror, record your voice, or join online speaking groups.
That's a great tip. I think confidence is not something you wait for. It's something you create.
Absolutely. And when your brain feels confident, it becomes easier to speak without fear.
So true. Step 4. Don't be afraid. Speak with confidence, even if it's not perfect.
Yes, because every word you speak makes your English brain stronger.
Welcome back, everyone. So far, we've talked about thinking in English, listening daily, and speaking with confidence.
Yes, and now it's time for something super important, daily habits.
Right. You can't train your brain if you only practice once in a while.
Exactly. You need small, daily habits. Even 5 or 10 minutes can make a huge difference.
Totally. For example, you can listen to English while making breakfast or talk to yourself when you're getting ready.
Yeah, like you can say, I'm brushing my teeth, or I'm making coffee. It sounds simple, but your brain starts to connect English with your daily life.
That's so true. The goal is to make English a natural part of your day, not just a subject you study.
Exactly. When you do that, your brain learns that English isn't scary. It's normal.
I love that. You can even set small goals like, I'll speak English for 5 minutes today.
Yes, and be proud of small wins. Every time you practice, your brain gets better.
So true. Remember, progress happens slowly, but it happens.
Exactly. Step 5, build daily habits. Speak, listen, and think in English every single day.
And soon, your brain will start to automatically respond in English without you even trying.
Yes, that's how you know your brain is truly trained.
Wow, Jack, that was such a great talk today.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. We shared some powerful tips to train your brain to think and speak English.
Yes. Let's do a quick recap for our listeners.
Sure. Step 1, don't translate. Step 2, listen and repeat real English. Step 3, think in English every day.
Step 4, speak out loud, even when you're alone. Step 5, build small daily habits.
Exactly. And if you do these steps daily, your brain will slowly start to think automatically in English.
That's the key. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent.
Yes, even a little practice every day is better than studying for hours once a week.
So keep going. Don't stop when it feels hard. Your brain is learning more than you think.
Remember, progress takes time, but every word you say, every sentence you try makes you better.
Exactly. You are training your brain step by step. Keep believing in yourself.
And that's it for today's episode of English Podcast with FTJ.
Thanks so much for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow, share, and keep practicing English with us.
Yeah, speak English every day. Your future self will thank you for it.
Until next time.
Both together, happy tone, in sync, smiling tone. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep shining.